Welcome back to the channel, folks. Thanks for being here. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And thank you for the ones that leave comments also. Today we're doing something slightly different. As you know, Christmas is about 5 days away. I can't remember what the date is. But I wanted to do a short film this week, and then we will continue on next week back to normality, so to speak. I wanted to thank everybody and wish everybody a very safe, healthy, and happy and Merry Christmas. Thanks for everybody being here every week. I try to get a film up every 6 to 7 days, and this week's been a little bit tough, trying to get Christmas shopping done, get in touch with family, and get everything ready for the holidays. But we have much more to come. Gracie is almost getting towards the end now. Well, being finished. And we got the interior done, the engines together. I fired it on the floor. You'll be seeing that soon coming up. And it ran great. Needed a fuel pump, but that's okay. The engine sounded good and tight and real smooth. Pretty much the car is almost finished. There's about 5, 6, 7 more videos to go. And I'm gonna get into some maintenance videos also. I think that would be interesting for a few people that maybe are new to Volkswagens. So we wanna cover a lot of maintenance up and close. Even a clutch adjustment. I'm going to get the camera up inside the transaxle where you can see actually how to adjust the clutch, how many turns to make. Then I'll have a camera on the inside showing you the pedal travel. But we'll get it all taken care of. But I just wanted to take a pause this week only, and then we'll resume to normal in about 6 or 7 days. You'll have another video to continue on with finishing up this project. After this, the 68 will be coming into the garage. So you'll be also taking rides with me in this when we're going out and having fun. I'll get a GoPro, and I think that'd be great. Take some rides together, see how it sounds. I'll try to stick one to the side of the car, one on the inside, so that you can kind of get the feel being in a car with me. I guess that's okay. But anyhow, we got the 68 coming in next. So we're going to be starting on that from scratch all over again, just like we did with this one. But we're going to get into a lot of maintenance stuff too, things that you need to know how to do to keep your Volkswagen alive. Yeah, pretty much like a book. But anyhow, Merry Christmas to everybody. Thanks for your support. Share the channel if possible. If not, it's okay. I get it. Share it on your social media if you can. If not, it's fine. Just being here and subscribing and watching the videos and commenting, giving that thumbs up like once in a while is a big deal to me. Thanks for being here. Merry Christmas to all you. God bless all of you. I hope that the next upcoming year is better. We have to make it better. And always remember one thing. I'm not trying to be a boss here and tell you what to do, but reach out to some people. It's the holidays. Some people are very lonely. Try to check into some veterans, see if they need somebody to talk to, maybe a little food, a little Christmas spirit. Do what you can to make others happy, because that's what we all need in life right now. Merry Christmas. I love you all. I'll see you soon.